Okay, friend, good morning. I want to show you how to make a television, a simple television one in Microsoft Paint. The first step, you should open the application over here or just type in Paint. Okay, and then click that icon so you got the vision over here and makes 100%. Don't forget over there 100% and cover over here. Okay, the first one we choose this one, rounded rectangle, because we uh, want this rounded rectangle like this. We click and drag. Don't forget size, make it bigger like this. Okay, and bring in the center, and then we make it the double over here. We can make like this, a little bigger. Okay, okay, and then we click this for the bottom of the television, and we click and we hit shift button, we hold. Okay, I got it, and click and we hold shift button. Okay, after that we combine this line become one with shift button, and then the next is the antenna. Over here we choose the center, shift button, don't forget, shift button, hold. Okay, after that we make the button of television using this rounded. Okay, one, two. You can move the shape using arrow in your keyboard. Okay, done. And then the last is color the television using this, fill the color. I want to color with like this, and make it make it a little dark over here. Okay, the next one, we continue in this screen. We draw some mountain using this. This is a curve. Okay, we click this, drag, and we little bit drag it to one, and we change the color, and then we click again there, and we drag one and two. The last, we click it over here, we put, so sorry, if you got wrong, you just click this, undo, or control plus Z. Okay, we click and drag one, two, and then we make this, click until over there, and we click one and two. Okay, we got the vision of the mountain over here, and we make the circle over there using orange or yellow color. We color and we change this to green. Okay, got. And then the sky, this is the blue sky, and the bottom over here we choose just little like green. Okay, okay, and then don't forget, write down. This is my this is my TV. My TV. I will color my TV to blue one, and then write down your name over here. I just decrease this to 36, and then write down your name. Okay, got it. I will color my name with the right one. Okay, that's all. And I'm glad to see your result, and see you next week. Bye bye.